Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm specializes, of course, in family law with a subspecialty in criminal work and injury work. If you have any questions about that, please call us and, of course, subscribe to our channel for valuable information regarding those specialties. There are many, many mistakes that a person can make in a custody case. Today I want to talk about 3 of those mistakes. They're not necessarily in any given order or priority, but there are 3 mistakes that I see people sometimes fall, and they get entrenched in these areas, and so we want to avoid that. Number 1, do not use your children as some sort of leverage in the custody case. Do not try to use them as pawns to try and get to the other person by saying things like, well, we would go to Disneyland, but of course, your dad spent all the money on booze, so I guess we can't go. Don't do that. Even if it's true, don't say that to your kids. Don't try to get your kids to hate the other person. Remember that your kids are half yours and half his. And the more disdain you show toward the other half, the more the kid thinks, Mom hates half of me. How can I live like that? So don't do that. Don't horribilize the other spouse to your kids, number 1. Number 2, custody cases are technical. There's a lot of rules, there's a lot of laws, there's a lot of things that you may think it should go one way, but really it goes the other way. There's a lot of counterintuitive things in a custody case. That's why you hire a lawyer. Your lawyer is an expert at this. Your lawyer can guide you along the way. What you may think should come into the case perhaps shouldn't. Because while you may think that may be important, your lawyer may feel that the judge, based on his experience, is going to look at you in a bad light if you try and introduce these things. Your ex was in recovery and you want to make that an issue? Wrong. The court's going to think that it's a low blow, and the fact that the person saw that they had a problem and went into recovery to take care of it is going to speak well for them. Don't do your strategy thinking for your case by yourself. Speak to your lawyer. Take your lawyer's guidance about how this should go, because frankly, he or she knows the rules a little bit better than you do. They also know what's going to work. They also know the intangibles about how the court may view something based on their experience and based on their knowledge of those things. So therefore, let your lawyer weigh in significantly in the strategy and yield to his sense of that strategy, because he's going to know more about it than you. Mistake number 3, don't tick the judge off. Don't go in there with the attitude that, you're going to file a judicial tenure complaint against that judge, or you're going to appeal that judge. And certainly don't give voice to it, because if you do that, you're going to show the judge that you have no self-control. That even if you think something like that, to say it in front of the person who's making the decision about your life is an extremely poor judgment and manifestation of that poor judgment on your part. Don't make that judgment. Don't show that judgment. Don't say those things. That's a huge mistake. Even if you believe that the judge has a bias against you, tell it to your lawyer, collect the evidence that you need, and then file your appeal. Do what you've got to do if it doesn't work out because of that bias. But realize that if you are up front and you bring that to the court's attention in a way that's antagonistic to the very guy who's making the decision about you, that will not end well. And even if years later the Court of Appeals agrees with you, look what happened in the interim. You don't want to do that. Bring things that are disturbing to your lawyer's attention. Let him decide how you want to proceed and how you should proceed in that regard. If you do that, the odds of you getting a better result are going to be dramatically improved. If you have any questions about that or need immediate help, call us today and we'll be glad to help you out.